Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Tesla Model Y at Supercharger, full guide. Plug the charger into the car, confirm charging starts on the screen, and monitor state of charge. Begin by finding an available supercharger, park straight, and center the vehicle. Open the charge port, attach the connector securely, and wait for the audio click. Watch the display for charging rate, expected time to full, and any alerts. Adjusting settings helps you charge smarter and keep your battery healthy. Set a charge limit that suits daily driving needs rather than charging to full every time. Use pause and resume features if you need to step away and manage charging times. Keep an eye on charging power and swap stalls if your rate drops unexpectedly. These simple steps improve efficiency and extend battery life over many charging cycles. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, and check the link in the description for details and deals. They are great for grabbing snacks before a road trip or keeping meals tidy at charging stops. I like them for convenience and durability. Now let's get back to the video. Charging smoothly includes handling payments and being a considerate driver. Your Tesla account logs fees and payments automatically, so check the session summary after charging. When your battery reaches the set limit, move your car promptly to avoid idle fees and let others charge. If equipment appears faulty, report it so staff can fix it and keep the network reliable. Simple courtesy keeps superchargers efficient for everyone using them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.